I would love for it to actually like roar. Pretty sure we're in.
Get on there, little dinosaur. Get on there, little dinosaur. That was pitiful, little dinosaur.
What? You're supposed to freaking have a mohawk of flame.
Where are you going, little dinosaur? Oh my God! That ain't Falco! That ain't Falco!
I think I wouldn't get it.
Oh!
Because it's slowly building up to something.
That ain't Falco! Oh!
Why has it got wheels on it? I think it's...
Oh! 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 Ah! Look at his arm! Look at his arm!
Oh no, it's on fire! Stop it, Richard!
What?
Stop it!
No, it's not done yet.
I don't have shoes on.
Spontaneously comes on.
Yes, it's on fire.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed where the twilight's last gleam?